This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one specific niche where people already buy. This focuses your content and SEO. Once chosen, set up channel assets, banner, description, playlists, to signal professionalism and relevance. Next, apply to 2 to 3 affiliate programs that actually pay and align with your audience, because relevance increases conversions. While you wait for approval, plan 5 video ideas that match buyer intent and list target keywords. This gets you into action fast and builds momentum. Once approved, produce videos that solve problems and show products in use. People buy what they understand. Make each video follow a pattern: quick hook, concise value, honest demo, then a single clear call to action with your link. While editing, insert timestamps and on-screen CTAs so viewers can jump to the buy info. These increase clicks. Also optimize title, thumbnail, and description around one primary keyword to attract intent-driven traffic, because discoverability drives conversions. To finish the cycle, scale what works. Double down on topics and formats that drive clicks and sales, and batch produce similar videos. Monitor clicks, conversion rate, and revenue per video weekly so you can spot trends and stop failing ideas quickly. Make small experiments, thumbnail, CTA, format, and measure results. If conversions remain low, check relevance and landing page experience, confirm your disclosure is visible, and make sure your audience trusts your reviews. Solving these often fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.